Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to remove pattern lock password on your device. So friends, before we continue the steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. Here you have to scroll down to lock screen. Okay, click on lock screen, and here you have to click this first option, screen lock type. Okay, you have to click on it, and here you have to confirm your password. Okay, pattern lock. Okay, you have to confirm that previous pattern lock. Okay, then here if you want to remove this pattern lock, just click on this swipe. Okay, swipe, and here you have to click on remove data. Okay, or remove data, no need to remove data. Remove data, it means no need security. Okay, shortcutly what you can do is just click on none. You can remove it by none also, you can remove it by swipe data also. Okay, it will be remove data and it will not set security. Okay, pattern lock will be remove. Okay, just click on remove data, and here click on remove, it will be remove. Okay, fingerprint, if you set fingerprint, it will be remove it. Just click on it, remove, and it will be removed by itself. Okay, so friends, you can remove it like this. If you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.